This week we've seen some really devastating flooding again in Rhondda and Taff. A number of areas being hit which were hit early in the year. Slightly different circumstances in terms of the thunderstorms we had, but still a number of properties flooded. There is investigations underway. I'll give a further update with much more detail on this next week about where we are, what's being done and what's been done over the recent months. Just to also say that we will be announcing as a local authority support for those individuals being flooded. I hope we can give cash payments to individuals to support them, but much more information on the flooding and what we're doing and what's happened, and make sure it's available next week when we get more reports back from officers. In terms of coronavirus and the lockdown, so there's been easing of the lockdown again today. That means shops can reopen from next Monday. Just urge people, please, when you do go out next week, be more cautious. Remember the 2-meter social distancing wherever possible. Some people may feel they want to wear face masks or face coverings. The good news is the R number in Wales appears to be coming down. It's been suggested in one of the reports I've seen today it could be down now to 0.5, which is really good news. In Rhondda and Taff here, we've seen, although we're getting new cases every day, the number of new cases does appear to be continuing to go down, which is positive. So we need to just make sure those precautions are in place, so we do try to social distance. I know the rules are hard, they've been here now for months and months and everybody's getting fed up with them, but it is for our interests, it's for the interests of our families and friends, so it's really important. Last update I just want to give is on Royal Glamorgan Hospital. That's where on Monday come in now on the 22nd, the report will go public for a meeting the following Monday on the 29th, where it does appear the Health Board will be making a decision on the A&E provision at Royal Glamorgan Hospital. We reiterated our point, we are firmly against closure. We think A&E needs to remain 24 hours. That's the position of the council, that's the position I've maintained and I continue to lobby and press on. So we hope next week we will get more information on this and then we'll get a firm decision on the 29th, and I hope the decision, thanks to the community effort and the lobbying we've done all together on this, I hope the decision will be that A&E service will be maintained with the additional doctors and consultants they've recruited.